Alright, time to undo the heater hose. Just got done with the thermostat. This is gonna suck, by the way. Alright, we're gonna have to pull the heater hose up off the pipe fitting. And we gotta twist the hose a little bit. Well, that ain't working. I'll be back. Alright, coolness. These things are called gear wrenches. This is a shorty gear wrench. Flip it over, it loosens. Flip it back over, it tightens. Fucking brilliant. Now I got that bolt undone, but I can't pull it out without pulling these other bolts. So then we go back to the ratchet. Now once I get it out, hopefully I can do it without taking off the fan shroud. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Don't you love watching somebody turning a wrench? Alright, here comes the alternator. Oh, forgot to unplug it. That would be one. That would be two. Up. One more on the back side. That looks like a tiny ass 10mm, and I'm dropping bolts. So we'll be back. All right. 10mm bolt on the back of the alternator. It's actually a nut. Well, maybe it is a bolt. No, it's a nut. Boom, baby, the whole thing's out. Now, the two bolts I dropped, sorry about that, they're both the same size. So they go back in. And we take this out as a unit. Now it starts getting ugly. Because now I have to attack the intake. And to start with the intake, I'm going to have to take the radiator hose off. Which, where the thermostat is a 10 millimeter. And I'm going to show you the gaskets that I bought before this video is over. This is just going to be one of several videos as I go through this. But just to show you, I painted the heads red, the valve covers red, and all this has to do with what I've already worked on. Then the other thing is I have to take the lack of a better word, this is the distributor, but it's not the distributor, it's a electronic box that I've already changed out. I think I did that in a previous video. But I got to get all the way down there. That valve cover's got to come off, and then the head has to come off, the exhaust manifold has to come off. It's going to be a process, that's for sure. And to get this intake off, I'm probably going to have to undo the air conditioner and the power steering pump. And if I remember correctly, I have to do something different over here to get that off. So while we're at it, there's no water leak on the inside. This is the dipstick. There's no creamy ass looking shit. So I know the head's leaking on the outside. Man, this is the biggest pain in the ass you've ever done. So we'll be back. All right, skipping around. We're going to take the what used to be known as the distributor out, but it's not the distributor, it's the firing order for the spark plugs. Talk about hunting by feel. Problem with hunting by feel, you have to pull these bolts without dropping them, because you can't see where they're going to drop. That would be 2. That would be 3. And this, my friends, will be 4. I think they call this actually the ignition control module, which personally I think is bullshit, because in my opinion, it's part of the ECM. Really? God damn. Boom. 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 I took off Monday this week, so I get Sunday, Monday, Tuesday off. We didn't do shit to it because we got a late start because it was so fucking cold. Alright.